Opioid-related deaths are a big problem across Worcester County. In 2017, there were 266 overdose deaths. A state representative wants to do his part amid the crisis by filing legislation. Our Chandler Walsh joins us now with the details. Chandler?
Olivia, State Rep Jim O'Day originally proposed a bill taxing opioid manufacturers, but now he's stepping back. He still wants those manufacturers to pay, but is working on a new solution that won't penalize patients who need this medication. State Representative Jim O'Day plans to file legislation taking on Big Pharma. The West Boylston Democrat filed a bill years ago to put a tax on opioids, but he's reworking it for this session.
I've heard from people, chronic pain sufferers, who say, well, only thing the tax is going to do is the company is just going to take it out on the consumer. And so as I give that some thought, I think they're right.
O'Day's goal is to negatively impact opioid manufacturers. He says any money collected would be used for prevention and treatment.
Once they learned that they were producing a substance that was highly addictive, they should have went back to the drawing board.
Savita Health in Worcester offers an integrated treatment program for people with opiate dependence. They say it's not so easy to place blame in one place.
The pharmaceutical companies were pushing OxyContin, and the physicians were telling people, oh, you can't get dependent on this. And then there's the patients. Pretty much most of the patients I've worked with have said to me when they had been prescribed pills, they said, I knew what to say to get what I wanted.
Medical Director Susan Carey says the way to battle the epidemic is through medication, counseling, safe housing, and cracking down on dealers. She says the crisis is far from over.
There's still a lot of stigma. People think of it as a character defect instead of a brain-based problem.
O'Day says though he's not sure what his bill will be yet, he wants drug manufacturing companies to be a part of the solution.
I think they have a much bigger responsibility in this piece than they've been willing to take on.
Now bill filing goes until January 18th. O'Day says he aims to have the framework of his bill by then and will continue filling in the pieces. Chandler Walsh, Worcester News Tonight.